to ensure the safety, security, and reliability of the United States nuclear weapons stockpile, Sandia National Laboratories conducts extensive modeling and full-scale testing. This video shows one of the many tests Sandia conducts using an inert unit to ensure our nation's nuclear weapons are safe, secure, and reliable. 4 Nike rocket motors accelerate a massive steel and concrete target down Sandia's rocket sled track. The reverse ballistic configuration allows the test team to stream sensor data out of the test unit through the orange cable bundle, which is routed to a hardened mobile instrumentation unit that records the test events. The test unit is suspended from above to allow target impact to be representative of impact conditions. Safety is paramount. Operations are remotely controlled from a hardened bunker. All possibilities are planned for. Specialized emergency response teams stand by.
Sled launch in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The massive target is accelerated down the track into the test unit. Moments before impact, flashbulbs illuminate the camera view. The event itself is only a few hundredths of a second. Sensors, gauges, and quantitative high-speed imaging systems provide data for the supercomputer models. At these impact speeds, almost nothing remains. The test was performed successfully, capturing all data as planned.